Okay, well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the GEO Ministerial Summit. This is the very first time we've had a youth panel at the GEO Ministerial Summit.
The reason why we're here is to develop or do a declaration, a youth declaration that talks to some of the challenges that are being faced by the youth.
What we need is a platform to be heard and for action to be taken.
The event was long overdue and the youth is ready.
One highlight for me is that we came up with sustainable solutions that can be used in the future.
Collaboration is key. It was so special for me to be amongst youth members coming from various different fields to come and solve the Earth's problem that we currently face, which is climate change.
And my key takeaway from this event is inspiration, change and networking that provides the youth with opportunities to be positive agents of change in the global stage.
The most urgent matter today is climate change. We need to alleviate, we can't stop it, so we need to mitigate it. So this workshop was basically us trying to mitigate the impacts of climate change in the world today.
It was fantastic, it was successful, it was inspiring for me.
What I just want to add is, to recognize and appreciate the support from our seniors, especially in South African National Space Agency, SASTA, and also the DSI and the GEO.